Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Salesforce Marketing Cloud for audience targeting, complete guide step by step clearly. Locate the sign up or get started button on the home page. Click on the button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to create an account. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and company details. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements. After completing the form, click the Create Account button. Check your email for a verification message from Salesforce. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the Salesforce Marketing Cloud login page. Enter your email address and password to log in. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to the Marketing Cloud dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and available options. Navigate to the Audience section within the dashboard. In the Audience section, explore different targeting options available for your campaigns. Click on the Create Audience button to begin building your audience. Define the criteria for your audience by selecting relevant demographics, behaviors, and interests. You can utilize data filters to narrow down your audience according to specific parameters. Once you have defined your audience, click the Save button. Review your audience settings to ensure accuracy. If everything looks correct, confirm the creation of your audience. Start planning your marketing campaigns based on the targeted audience you just created. Access additional resources within the Help section if you need further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.